Hey man, how you doing? Just I'm gonna record a video real quick for you so you can see the truck running and stuff. All right, so I'll show you fired up. Truck's in good shape. I mean, it runs good. It only has 88,000 miles on it. Usually, even when it's cold, it'll start up on the first try. Here's all the controls, PTO switch, all that good stuff is up here. There's like these doors in the back here. You can slide up and down. You can put stuff in. It is an automatic transmission. All the boom functions work perfect. I've never had any issues with it at all. It's pretty solid. You can see all the hydraulic lines are like they must have been replaced before I bought the truck, because they're all like real good. Let me get up here and I'll show you closer. You can see they're all like brand new hydraulic lines. So there's no issues at all with any of the operating functions of the boom. It actually is real nice because you can slow down when you're booming into something. You're trying to get close. It doesn't like go real fast. You can go at different speeds. Here's the main control panel from the lower controls. It has 4 outriggers. I'll show you outriggers. I might have PTO off. Yeah, PTO switch is off. Hold on. I'll show you how the outriggers work. Outriggers work good, no issues at all. I'll show you how the boom works. It's got the material handler up there. It won't really work too good actually without, you gotta put a little bit of weight on it. It won't pull out unless it has some weight. I just have the rope on it right now. Clockwise, you see the rotation. Everything works good, man. It's a solid truck. The only reason I'm getting rid of it is just because I just had some issues with my smaller bucket truck for my sign company. I've been having a lot of problems with cam sensors and all kinds of stuff. So it's not running at the moment. I really need a little truck. This truck's a little bit too big for some of the jobs we do. We do use this truck a lot though for doing parking lot lights and bigger sign projects where we need to pick up heavy stuff or get real high. But for the most part, we use the little truck the most. That's it, buddy. Let me know if you have any other questions, but like I said, it's got like brand new tires on the back. On the dollies, there's 4 They're like brand new. Other than that though, it's a solid truck. You can see there's a little bit of rust, like there, a little bit there, you know, a little bit around. But you could easily sand it down and repaint it. It's just because it's all just steel. But all the main portion of the truck, like underneath the truck and everything, there's like no rust at all. Everything's real good, in good shape. Let me know if you have any questions. You can call me on my cell. It's 814-525-2165. Thanks, man. Take care.